Welcome to the Tabular Input tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. If you have historical data that was collected by Tally, you may want to input it into VGS in Tabular view so that all of your data, both current and historical, can be compared in summary reports.
To input data in Tabular or Office mode, you will need to open a site and select the Log tab. Under the Log tab in the Site window, select New. The Generate Protocol window will open. Choose the correct protocol, then Generate Protocol. Select the event, then select Open. This will open the Field Input view unless the protocol form type is set to Office mode, which automatically opens the event in Tabular Input view. To begin editing the event data in Tabular Input, click the Tabular View button. The Tabular window will open in front of the Field Input view. In this window, you can manually add information for each of the events, such as dry weight rank, point ground cover, and frequency.
When entering a plant species, they can be searched for by clicking on the drop-down arrow to open the Select Species window. In this window, you can search species by code, common name, and species name. Once you know the code for the species, you can type in the code directly rather than having to use the drop-down menu every time. When viewing a species in the Species Category column, you will have to view the code. If entering a category, such as ground cover, again, click the drop-down menu and search for an item by the abbreviation or by name in the Select Item window. Unlike the species input, you will have to use a drop-down menu every time to enter the item into the Species Category column. You will need to add the transect number and sample number for every row entry. Each event frame can also be adjusted if more room is needed during data input.
If needed, you can also export data as a CSV or Excel spreadsheet by selecting the Export drop-down button. If you don't want to save any of the edits, select Cancel. Don't forget to save before you close the Tabular View window. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.